Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning how can we retrieve our deleted data, or you can say soft deleted data, from our database. Previously we see how can we soft delete our records from database. Let's open our database manager. You can see we soft deleted our third post, and you can see in here we have the value at deleted at field, right? That means this post is currently soft deleted. Now if I go to my code editor and say return, call my model, say all. Now if I go to my front end, and hit the home route, you can see we are getting two datas, right? We are not getting the three datas because one of our data has been soft deleted. So how can we retrieve soft deleted datas? Suppose you have a route where you are showing your all datas. Now you want to implement another section where we will see all your deleted datas, right? Similar to that, let's see how can we see our trash datas. For that, Laravel has a method called only trashed. So we can call this method for getting only trash datas. So after the only trashed method, we will chain our get method that gonna grab all the datas. So this method is currently selecting all the trash data of our post tables, I mean the soft deleted datas. Now let's go to our front end, and if I refresh, you can see we are now getting only one data, and which ID is 3, right? So previously we deleted this record from our database, I mean soft deleted. So now we are retrieving these datas. Now if I go to my code editor again and then delete another data, let's say I will comment this out. Let's say it will be post, then I will call find method. I will pass a ID. Let's say I will delete the second post, which ID is 2. For that I will pass 2, and then I will call the delete method. Okay. Now if I go to my front end and then refresh, you can see nothing is showing. That means our query has been executed. So why we are not getting a success string? Because we didn't dump anything here. Anyways, let's go to our code editor, then I'll be refreshing. You can see now our deleted at field has been filled in for this record, right? The ID is 2, and we can see the date and time here, right? So now if I go to my code editor and comment this query and return this query again, let's see what happened. If I go to my front end and refresh, now you can see we are getting two data, right? Because we deleted two datas from our database table. So that's how you can retrieve your trash datas from your database, or you can say soft deleted records from your database.